Man, we try to see what 21 look like with like a reggae thing going on, no?
That's why here it's a little reggae thing. And
you know, see, so you know, so like it's going to be good because 21 is a good band, no? They come from a good group. And
YG Entertainment,
you know, and you know, so we'll look, let's go look at it and see.
Decided to bring my Jamaican father along for the ride. Since I heard it was a Caribbean vibe. Kill them.
You ready? You ready?
Yeah, man. Let's check it out and see what happened. You know.
All right, 21. It's called Falling in Love.
Yeah, that's a good thing, man. Fall in love.
You have to fall in love sometime.
We are falling in love. No, I'm not singing. I'm not singing.
All right, let's go.
You have to be cool and airy, man. Airy, you know.
Airy.
Yeah, yeah, man. That sound good, ready? Nice, beautiful girls. Look at that.
You ready?
Are you ready? You ready? I ready like that. You ready, man?
I'm ready. What are they? This is a nice area.
Well, I look like a beach part. I don't know. I make some picture. Yeah, shall I look a move there?
Touch me over here, touch me. Oh, that's what.
Yeah.
She's sang this before. CL. That's CL.
Oh yeah,
Lindsay with pink hair.
She have a nice little thing, you know, like come like a, you know, like a, what's your name, the Nicki Minaj kind of style, look well over here.
What, with the pink hair?
Yeah, man, so like that.
Nicki Minaj can't.
Yeah, the girl at the wine,
They know how to wind down.
I lick a butt there.
I don't want to see that.
No, we don't want to see that.
But I don't want to see that, man. She has a good voice for reggae.
Look at her. Yes. Tell her.
The lions in the background, too, before.
She has a good voice for a Jamaican girl, man. She sounds good.
For a Jamaican girl?
No, correct.
She fooled you. I really like this.
Nice. Yes.
That's my girl.
Fall in love. Yeah.
And she looks different now. With the blue eyes.
Move that.
That's Dara. New blonde hair.
Good beat, man. I like the rhythm of it. It's flow. Even in the Korean language, it's flowing, man. Flowing.
It's a
reggae flow.
A modernized reggae. Because it's like a Major Lazer.
Yeah. See that?
The two lions.
Like a lion arm, a lion to the Rastafari. Nice.
Wine. I think she could wind down if she.
Right, look at that, man. She has a little body there, man. She
has a little body. Yeah. Minty is.
Yeah, look at that, man. I like a sexy Korean girl, that man.
Sexy Korean girl.
Not Jamaican reggae. Dancehall. She does like a dancehall. Yeah, look at that. She just.
That's not reggae. It's more hip hop reggae-ish.
No, man, it's like the modernized reggae now, you know. Yeah, dancehall. You know, I come from old school, but still you can modernize it, you know. Yeah, but what, boy? That's all that. You know, it's a good song, man.
That's more of a Hawaiian technique, though, right?
No, but it's island thing, man.
Okay, island.
Same thing, no?
Make it happen.
We don't see where we come from. We just know like music, you know, background music, you know. We don't look back, you know. You have to modernize it, you know. Make the crowd kind of get involved and get in there, you know. You want to arouse the crowd.
Dara with the blonde hair. She's so skinny though, my gosh.
Yeah. You know, the man guys say, what go on, move a little bit too.
I don't think they would actually say that though.
Yeah. She watch the boy guys say, look, let me show you a move now. See that the boy?
Let me show you a move.
So boy, you know, it sound good.
Flirting with the boy. Yeah, Park Pop looks different, more Americanized now.
I guess modernizing.
No, when you go close up, her eyes are more open now.
Oh, okay, right. You know,
but I like it. It's nice.
No, they're cute. You know, they're Korean girls. You know, Korean girls cute, you know. Very good, man.
So, you know,
that
to anyone. Did a summer beat.
No man, she did good.
Summer feel.
That rhythm going down, the music going down.
Whoever produced it. Yeah, it's good.
Minzy's
voice went well with the reggae.
And that's coming from 21. Look like a reggae thing going or island thing going or what kind of the island, you know?
You understood that?
Yeah, man.
Did you understand that?
If you don't understand, it's good reggae
it's
music.
good reggae music.
From the 21. The old enough 21.
The old enough 20. That's one of the reasons why they chose the name. And it says 2NE1.
Okay.
So it's 2NE1.
And
21.
You know, that's good that they're going international with a Korean twist.
What they're going? You mean they're going? What do you call it? Caribbean or reggae to a Korean twist?
Yeah, right.
Not international.
Well, I call it international because it's the island.
But I really liked it. It was a summer, and yeah, it's summer. It feels summer. It feels right for the season.
Yeah, that's true.
And it's a reggae beat.
Yeah, man, I understand that.
And then, of course, you know, they did a thing. YG always does that kind of difference.
Fall in love, man. Fall in love.
You fall in love with them.
Yeah.
Which one do you want? So which one do you like?
Yeah, man, I think they wanted like the polka dot pants there, what you call it, huh?
The short hair one?
Yeah.
Minzy.
Yeah, she alright.
She's too young for you. You know
Remember, that's the best tip you ask me what I want.
She's cute, yeah, I like her too.
I know I'm taking her. I have my own girl.
Yeah, that's my mom.
Yeah, you know, like she's from Asia too.
She's an Asian
Filipino.
Filipino. But yeah, they did a good job. Yeah, good job for 21 doing their little reggae thing.
Alright, man.
Alright.
Cool.
That was my Jamaican father.
Alright.
And then did a good job watching it. You liked it?
Yeah, alright. Like, no, of course. It's a good song, good. Everything going. You know?
I liked it too.
Alright.
And yeah, thanks for watching.
You know, we just trying to see how the 21 can sound like reggae beat and so look at so they're doing good. But I hope they have good success in that kind of music. Kind of they're doing good.
They seem yeah.
Anyway,
it's been a while for them to bring out something, so
right now, me gone.
He's gone.
21 good. Alright.